You're out here looking at ducted split heat pumps, trying to figure out if you're buying a tank or a tin can. I get it. It's a minefield of model numbers and marketing speak. Before I spent 17 years in the dirt and attics of the HVAC service world, I was an electrician in nuclear power. I look at these units differently than a salesman does. I look at how they're built to handle the real world and what's happening in that electrical cabinet. Today, we're doing a fair apple-to-apple comparison between two solid basic tier contenders, the MRCOOL Signature Series and the Oxbox J5HP5. Because we're talking ducted units, the first thing I look at is how well that outdoor coil is protected. The MRCOOL Signature Series comes with a full louvered steel cabinet. In the field, we call that superior armor because it keeps the hail, the neighbor's weed whacker, and stray rocks from flattening your aluminum fins. The Oxbox J5HP5, on the other hand, uses slotted panels. It's better than nothing, but it leaves your coil much more vulnerable to Mother Nature than a full louvered setup. Technically, both of these are single-stage systems, which is why they land in the basic category. From my electrician's perspective, these are simple and reliable. You've got a standard compressor and a single-speed fan motor. This means fewer expensive circuit boards to fry during a summer thunderstorm. The MRCOOL puts up an HSPF of 7.5, while the Oxbox holds its own with an HSPF of 8.5. That efficiency gap means the Oxbox is actually going to be a bit lighter on your power bill during those long heating months. Have you ever had a coil fail because of hail or a stray rock from a mower? Or maybe a dog who thinks the condenser is a fire hydrant? Tell me your stories below. This is where the rubber meets the road. Both brands offer a solid 10-year parts and 10-year compressor warranty. However, when you look at the no-hassle protection, MRCOOL gives you a 1-year unit replacement warranty. That means if your compressor dies in the first year, they replace the whole outdoor unit, not just the part. Oxbox doesn't offer that unit replacement coverage, so if it fails early, you're just getting a new compressor and likely a big bill for the labor to swap it. This is a tough one. If you want the absolute best electrical efficiency, the Oxbox J5HP5 takes the lead. But as a service guy, I'm picking the MRCOOL Signature Series as the winner today. It wins on build quality with that superior louvered coil protection, and it gives you that extra peace of mind with the 1-year unit replacement warranty. To shop like a pro, head over to the HVAC for Beginners website and use my head-to-head tool to compare over 170 models. Make sure you hit subscribe and like the video. See you on the next one.